Hi, welcome to a Fusion 360 video tutorial. I want to do the piston, the next part for my 7-cylinder radial engine. Let's take a look at the drawing. So here it is, and you could make a screenshot of that drawing and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. So let's have fun with Fusion 360. To make it a little bit more interesting, I want to do it with two solids, so a multibody model. Let's start with a sketch on the YZ plane. I will need a profile which looks something like this here. Let's try to snap here as well, like that. Now let's make this one a center line, yep, and add some dimensions. So this would be a diameter of 124. This would be 6 millimeter. Next one would be 8 millimeter. Next one would be 10. Next one 12. Another one 17. This one 20. And from here to this one it should be 66. Now let's see if I've snapped all those. So this distance should be a diameter of 120. Nope, it didn't work. So let's go for collinear, make this one and that one collinear, this one and that one. And add one more constraint, coincident from this point to that point. Finish that sketch, and seems these are not aligned, so let's go back to that sketch. Yes, so go for collinear. These, those, and that one. Now it's aligned. Go for revolve 360 degrees and confirm. Great. Now let's hide that solid and go for a sketch on the XY plane. This should be a circle. Diameter would be 112. Now this did go wrong. 1, 1, 2, like this. Okay. Leave that sketch. Make an extrude. Make it 15 millimeter. Okay, then another sketch on the same plane, that would be the XY plane. I need an elongated hole. Let's see, that's available. There you go, it's a slot. Center to center slot, yes, like this. Go for 55, and this should be 25. Let's check it out. I need another dimension. This should be 55. And I want to go for midpoint. So let's see, we have a midpoint here. So this should be the midpoint of that line. Seems to be fully constrained. Finish that sketch. Go for another extrude. It should be added, so join it. And the distance should be 60. Like that. Now, I need another sketch on the YZ plane. So go for a sketch on the YZ plane. A circle, diameter 15. Add dimension from that sketch origin to that point. This should be 33. And of course, it should be aligned vertical here. Finish that sketch. Let's go for another extrude with that sketch. It should be symmetric, and I want to go for the whole length, and the whole length, not a new body, but join it, and the distance would be 140. Now bring back the other body. Now we can do a combine. I want to cut. That's the target. This is the tool, and confirm. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.